Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel unpaid AliExpress order. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom go to your account, and at the top you should see My Orders section, and here tap View All button, and from the list of all orders you should find your unpaid order that you want to cancel, and tap on it to open its details, and there you should find the button called cancel order, and next you will be requested to select the reason why you want to cancel your unpaid order, and just simply select the reason that fits you the best, and do not forget to submit your cancellation request. And now all you have to do is just wait until your money is returned to you, and usually it is returned in 3 to 20 business days depending on your payment method. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.